All right, guys, yesterday as we discussed that we are looking for short somewhere here if price pull back to this level in this area, or we are looking for short below this area. So finally, today we have seen price just open a gap up and broke this supply zone. So that was supply zone. And finally, after the price pull back near supply zone, let's see, very interesting thing here. Let me zoom a little bit here. Okay, perfect. So once price goes to this level, or you can say like price open here, and within a 5 minute, price pull back near this breaking the structure. So here, so after that, price goes little bit and pull back and goes little bit. All right. So what we have seen, so after breaking this supply zone, price creating new higher high, higher low, and a higher high. Now price pull back nearly breaking the structure. So our basically rule, we are looking for buy near FNR, which is called breaking the structure like that. Just a minute, not like that. Okay, goes up, pull back, so like that. All right, so here like that, break out the structure. So similarly, goes up, pull back, and goes up, and the price will pull back near this FNR, or otherwise we are looking for near support and resistance. So here, sorry, demand and supply. So there was demand and supply, but finally we have seen some rejection, and we place buy order and goes up. All right, we are focusing on a buy. So next here you can see another this one demand zone. Price finally pull back near demand zone. That was our entry point exactly near our target. So that was our around 100 point trading target point. Let me check it from this to this area. So near 100 point our target price. All right. So let's do some analysis for tomorrow. Okay, just a minute. Okay. All right. So right now, prices are running in a sideways. This is called ranging market. Somewhere here, this is the ranging market. So basically, we are looking for buy after breaking this area. So when the ranging market are forming, when the big player are loading up, so we expecting the big player are loading up in this area. It is a probability to shoot out, or it is a probability to shoot down toward the downside. All right. So this is the ranging market. It's a most important market range for us. So when they are forming, so we are focusing on to hit aggressively. All right. So where is my basic trend? So it's a clear uptrend. So that is why we are looking for upper side. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.